Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're introducing Soloto, a modern lottery platform built on blockchain technology. Soloto brings transparency, fairness, and security to every ticket, draw, and payout, ensuring a trustworthy experience for all users. We'll show you how Soloto works, its key features, and how to join the draws and claim your rewards in just a few steps. Let's dive in and see how Soloto is transforming the future of lottery. Okay, guys, let's connect to Phantom Wallet. Our wallet is successfully connected. Now we will sign up in Soloto. After sign up, we will then click on Login. This way we will log in to our Soloto DApp. Now we will deposit some USDC. We have successfully deposited USDC. Now we will buy tickets using automatic ticket selection. We had bought tickets successfully. Now we will wait for the results of lottery. Here is our ticket numbers which we have got using automatic selection. Okay, let's wait for the lottery result. Here is the lottery results. We had win the lottery. Now we will claim our winnings. Okay, guys, we had claimed our prize successfully. Now we will again deposit the amount, and then we will buy tickets. Now we will again participate in the lottery by doing manual selection of tickets. Now we will select ticket numbers. Then we will click on Buy Tickets. We had successfully purchased tickets. Here is our ticket numbers, which we had selected before. Now we will wait for the lottery result. Okay, the result has arrived. We didn't win the lottery this time. We will now click on Claim to check if there is any prizes for us. So we do not have any unclaimed winnings. And that wraps up our tutorial on Soloto, the blockchain-based lottery platform that's redefining transparency and trust in the world of online lotteries. We hope you now have a clear understanding of how Soloto works and how easy it is to participate in a secure, decentralized lottery experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and walkthroughs. Got questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Good luck and happy playing with Soloto.